Back at you, YouTube. Hey, listen, guys. I want to do a product. We had a car with a client that had a little passenger accident. She was an elderly lady, and she peed in the seat. And so the client called me up and asked me if I could take care of the smell and remove the stains. And I said, sure, we can take care of that for you. So I'm going to show you that product. My little assistant right here is going to walk over. Come over here, little miss. Look right into the camera and hold the product up so they can see it. Just like that. Perfect. See it, guys? Good job. My little assistant, Zariana. Thank you so much for your help.
Bye.
Bye. See ya. So, guys, we're going to go ahead and use this product. It's designed for, it's called PP, Stain Odor Eliminator. This stuff is strong, and I mean strong. I would recommend diluting this product. So, let's go ahead and get the water set up. I'm going to get the shampooer filled with some product, and I'm going to show you the seat here in just a second, and go from there. So let's show you the seat. Okay, you really can't see any stains. Of course, I've already pre-treated it because the smell was just oof. So, and it's just this seat right here. Once again, there's the product right there, guys. So let me get the camera situated, hopefully good enough to where you can see me doing this. Oh, this is gonna be a little bit. Okay. There we go. Now this vacuum is going to be a little loud, so I'm hoping it doesn't drown out. Well, I'll turn the vacuum off if I got to talk. Let's see here. This is when I really need my little assistant right now. She could help me manhandle that camera, but she's gone inside with her mama. All right. So, got this little shampooer because this is not a really commercial job here. Little nozzle right here. Spray the water into the seat. And I added the product into the water, warm water, not hot water, not cold water, but warm water. And we're going to saturate the seat and then extract it out. So here we go. Depending on what kind of shampoo you want to use, you can use a bigger head. I chose a smaller one because of the seat. Now, you can see, the seat is wet of course, but this kind of material dries so fast. Let me get a towel, wipe that trim down. Unfortunately, with that shampooer though, it doesn't spray directly where I want it to, and it will just overspray on the trim. So you got to wipe it down. The smell was so bad, my gosh. Okay, we're going to let that dry and see what kind of smell we got. I may have to ozone this too. You guys, I'm sure you're familiar with an ozone generator, but what it does, it produces gas and kills off any kind of impurities. Sometimes you may have to do it 2 or 3 times depending on how strong it is. Let's back up and matter of fact, let's go ahead and hit it again. Yeah, let's go ahead and hit it again while we're here. Because once I start breaking these power cords down and the camera and all that, whoops, leaking water. Goodness. Thought one of my clients was pulling in. That vacuum's so loud I can't really hear. All right, I think this is going to be great. Once that product settles in, it wasn't that deep. It really wasn't. I mean, it was deep enough, but I think a couple of treatments. Well, we've done 3 treatments. That should be enough. Let's pull the camera back. Let's see. All right. Trying to get used to this camera, guys. It's a brand new camera. We were using our iPhones and our Droids, and we kicked it up a notch and got the Canon 80D DSLR camera, and it's an awesome camera. We got the shotgun microphone on there. The quality is superb. But you know, when you get situations like this, whether it's a pet or a human being or whatever it is, you want to try to get to that as soon as possible. There may be some circumstances you just cannot. If you're traveling and you got a pet in there and it urinates on the seat, maybe carry some water, a spare bottle of water, 12-ounce bottle, whatever, just so you can mat it out of there. Because once it dries in there, that smell is so strong, it's hard to get it out. So just be mindful of that. Of course, I'm sure wherever you live, I'm sure there's professional detail shops that can address it. We can help you out if you're here in Chattanooga. We can help you out. But this material just dries so fast. I mean, you can stain it by just dropping water on this material. It's so thin, and which is, there's a good side of that. It's not as hard to clean. But anyway, once again, guys, subscribe to us, like us, ring the bell for the next video. I can't stress that enough. For some reason, YouTube has been taking subscribers, and so I'm trying to work. It feels like twice as hard to get our subscribers up and the views and the likes, but I stopped shooting videos for a while there because of that reason, and I realized just keep doing the same thing, just keep going. So we're doing it again, shooting lots of videos. Also, we got another channel called Crave the Taste with a K, K-R-A-V-E, Crave the Taste. What we do is we go around to Chattanooga and we do reviews on food, the quality of service, the decor, all that jazz, and we share it with you guys. You can go on YouTube, it's there now, called Crave the Taste. And we shoot videos of food. We also do reviews on herbs, spices, multivitamins, things like that. And I think it's going to do well. I really do. So guys, thanks again. Please subscribe, like us, and we'll see you next time, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I've got the camera here. I wanted to show you a little something. I see a little critter over here. I don't know what it is. Looks like a little tiny little dragon or a little lizard or something. He's right above the white piece of paper. I hope I can zoom in without scaring him. Can you guys see him? Yeah, you can see him. I don't know what that is. It's cute. Okay, so here's the car, here's the seat. The seat is almost dried now. I got everything out of it, except you can see some of the discoloration from the water, the moisture, which will dry probably in the next, these seats dry so fast, probably in the next 15 minutes this thing will be completely dry. The smell's gone, the stain's gone. Good job. So once again, guys, like us, subscribe to us. Put the camera down here. Let's get a focus here. All right. Once again, this product is very good. I'll put a link on the description down below our video where you can see this product. I believe it's on Amazon if I'm correct. Kind of get you a close up here. It zooms in. Hope it did. My assistant's not here, so forgive me guys, I'll do my best. But I've noticed this is a very aggressive product. As soon as it has contact with the stain, the urine, feces, fecal matter, whatever you're going to call it, this is very aggressive. It attacks it very fast. It's a great product, and it's not expensive at all. Let's smell. Whew. Clean you out. Take you a whiff of this, guys. Here, you want a whiff? Take you a whiff. Can you smell that? Mmm. Freaking sweat bees. Okay. So, another one done. And I've got another one actually sitting right behind you, guys. It's I think it's a 17 Honda, 2017 I think. And it's got stains on the seats. Matter of fact, I'll show you some of the stains here in a minute. Let me open the doors up and I'll give you a little peek. Alright guys, let's walk you over here. Let you get a little peek. Can you see those stains? Let me get a see those stains. I'll have to start on that probably tomorrow. I've still got some touching to do with this car. Not a lot, just a little bit. And once again, let me show you the seat. Looks fantastic. Of course, this camera is phenomenal. I love this camera. Alright guys, once again, subscribe to us, like us. We want to build this channel with you guys. We can do this. Without you, we're nothing. So we got to build this channel, so subscribe and like us. I'll have a link for this below where you can see this product. And if you have any questions, please comment. And I'll do my best to answer them as soon as I can. That's the one thing I've noticed on YouTube channels is that I've seen some of these bigger channels. When I say bigger, I mean they get like 30, 40, 50,000, 100,000, even 1 million subscribers. And I'll put a question on there and they don't respond. I've got my number on my channel. I mean, my website has my number's everywhere. My phone number, you can text me, you can email me. I'm not hard to find. I'm easy to find. And these people make it look like they're superstars, like the red carpet or some kind of ridiculous thing like that. And you try to send a question asking about whatever, you know, what's about a product or whether it's about a scene they were doing in the YouTube channel or anything, just anything. And they don't want to respond. Or they definitely do not want you having their number. And I get some of the privacy issues, I get that. But, you know, you got to return the love, you know. Because of us, the people that subscribe to you, we're the ones making you grow. We're the ones, you know, some of these guys are making some serious cash with some serious money. And I'm talking like in 1 million subscribers, things like that. But, you know, I'll share with anybody. If somebody asks me to share their link or share their channel, I'll be glad to. No questions asked. Just send me a little comment and I'll do it. But I'm not really big. You know, I've got not even quite 1,000 subscribers. But then again, I did stop shooting videos for a while, but we're back now. And we're shooting ridiculous every day. It just takes time to edit these things, man. Hard job. Once again, subscribe to us, like us, and that does it for this channel, guys. We'll shoot another one tomorrow on that Honda with those stains, and we'll let you guys check it out, okay? See ya.